Walkthrough after repairs at 19203 West Birdsong. It is October the 3rd. Time now is 5:16 p.m. New mulch has been added to the front, both sides, and of course roof shingles have been repaired and vent areas repaired. Two-car garage door installed. And anti-siphon attached to the hose bib. Garage. Okay. Okay. New hot water heater installed. Installed the damper vent. Okay. Entering the house to garage. Okay, interior has been painted. Interior holes in the wall have been repaired. The sheetrock. The interior has been cleaned. Keyless door lock installed on the front door. Door stoppers installed. Decorative light bulb at the entry area. Door stopper behind the closet door. Closet. Tile has been replaced. New ceramic tile has been installed. Downstairs restroom, half a bath. We got the tile has been removed and new tile installed. Toilet paper rod has been installed. Decorative light bulb. Oval mirror. Double light switch cover. And then of course flood. Revarnish the cabinets. White color. And install the 90-degree stopper on the doorway. Dining area, electrical outlet cover installed, light switch cover. Decorative light bulbs on the chandelier, candle type. Wood blinds, 5, new installed. The tile has been removed and replaced with new tile. Kitchen area. Cabinets have been refinished. Double light switch has been installed. The switch cover. Ceramic tile has been sealed and grouted. Wood blind. New sink installed. P-trap. Garbage disposal, new. Baseboard. The cabinet underneath the sink has been replaced. Wet bar area. New faucet. Tile floor again, old tile removed, new tile replaced. Laundry room. Hot and cold water valves replaced. Door stopper on both doors. Door leading into the garage as well. Keyless deadbolt on the garage door and the peephole. New lock on the exterior door of the garage, and the garage door new with keypad. Formal dining area. We have two sets wood flax blinds installed. New window screens installed on both windows. Light bulbs and chandelier all working. Candle type. Ceramic tile and outlet covers have been replaced. Living room. Light bulbs and the ceiling fan all working fine. And dome lights above the fireplace, both working. Keyless lock on the French doors, good. Tile front of the fireplace, been replaced. The screens installed. And plate installed. And again another keyless deadbolt on the other set of French doors. Always got the ceramic tile installed. Downstairs closet also has ceramic tile flooring. Master bedroom. Installed new entry door. Oh, excuse me. Here with doorstop. Installed new carpet. Wood flax blinds installed on the French doors. New light fixture and ceiling fan And again, the door stop. Master closet also has a door stop. New carpet. New shelving and closet. Alright. All around. Okay. Master bathroom, installed ceramic tile flooring, installed a new light fixture, vanity light bulbs installed, all working. Installed mini blind or 2-inch wood flax blind, refinished the cabinets. Installed new toilet. New tile flooring. Dorm lights. Clean and seal the shower. The shower is still work in progress. Photos will be sent separately upon completion. Glass has been back ordered. The shower head is new. Door stoppers again, and tile in front of the shower been replaced. Again, the new glass for the shower is back ordered. Photos will be sent separately upon arrival and completion. Stairs have new carpet and the light fixture. Railing is secure. Bedroom number 2, I'm going to call it the back bedroom. New carpet installed. 2 sets of wood flax blinds. Smoke alarm. Ceiling fan is new. And door stopper. Closet bin fold doors are on track. Ceiling fan, light fixture, new. Okay, door stoppers installed and the entry door and closet door. New light fixture. New carpet installed. Upstairs bathroom, Jack and Jill type, shared bathroom with both bedrooms. Doorstop installed, 90-degree doorstop also installed. Light bulbs installed. Pop-up stopper installed. Cleaned and tiled and sealed. Door stop, the WC and the 90-degree. New shower head. AC unit, clean. AC air intake vents clean. Dryer vent. Let me look from the outside. Dryer vent cover in place. Back fence has been replaced. New boards all around. Deck wrap, new and stained, as well as the deck. Black backsplash area repaired, replaced. Granite countertops. And okay. New dishwasher, black, installed. Ovens, dual ovens. Stove, black. This concludes the after repair video for 19203 West Birdsong. It is now October the 3rd, 5:35 p.m. Again, shower glass will be repaired and replaced upon order, and photos will be sent separately.